foggy out here. Coming up to about mile marker 15, State Route 101. Have a, I believe it's a Kia SUV on the top, right in front of Evergreen Septic's driveway. Tide's already down here. He was in front of me about a mile. He said nose of it sitting up, actually out of the ditch, up in the driveway. So we'll just flip it over and put it up on my flatbed. I had to bring the flatbed because it's just so much easier to load these things up, especially on these SUVs, rather than putting dollies under them. Should be a hook right there in the back. Let's just let's do the other one, stronger winch. We'll hook on that ring back there. I'm going to lift up, pull it up out of the ditch, then we'll flip it around. Hopefully that ring will hold it. I think it will. You said that was an SUV. Yeah, looks like a four-door car.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Anybody get hurt? Oh, we gotta shut that door on that far side tight so it doesn't hit the phone booth thing there. You want to kick some of that stuff back inside of it?
Pull some more.
He's going to put the big recovery hook on the far side. There, you got her? Okay. We got the recovery hook on the far front suspension. We're going to try and spin it around and flop it all at one time, hoping that'll do it without having to put it. It might not do it. No. Hang on, I'm going to bring it a little bit further.
You got that box right there.
What's that? Okay, let's grab this other hook, hook it on the far side, and we'll just flop it with two of them. Hang on a minute. Okay, go ahead.
Do you want it?
Huh?
Do you want it?
We're gonna hook on the back side. Actually, hook it right in that ring right there. That'll just keep it from flipping. Can you hook in that ring? That's just gonna keep it from flipping around on us. Normally I wouldn't cross my hooks this way, but this will work. Just gonna keep it from rolling back in the ditch. Kind of hard on the mirror. Here you go, Ty. Here you go.
Yeah, you get to pick up all the stuff. put it in gear, but
You get what?
I was gonna put it in gear, but I don't think I can get it in
Don't
this
worry
side.
about it.